And good evening, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great Saturday night. I know a lot of people are probably going out and about celebrating Valentine's Day tonight. If you are heading out for dinner, prepare for some pretty wet conditions. In fact, we have some heavier rainfall moving through right now through even out towards the coast, over the Coast Range, and getting into Washington County, even Clackamas County, the downtown. This is all pushing ahead of a warm front that's going to be crossing through tonight. Even some snow still flying in the Cascades. Now, winter weather advisory will stay in effect through about 10 o'clock tonight, where we could see maybe an additional 3 to 7 inches of snow. And this is going to be mainly above 5,000 feet. So as we look at the big picture here, we have this warm front that's crossing through, and that will be moving through tonight. Now, a couple things are going to happen. Number one, we're going to see periods of heavier rainfall. The snow levels are going to go up tonight into tomorrow to about 7,500 feet. And we are going to be dealing with some breezy southerly winds as this warm front moves in. Now, a gust can maybe make it up to around 25 miles per hour. But you can see right now, Meadows looking really good. Lots of people out, and the snow is flying, and some of the snow is heavy at times. For Portland tonight, here's the planner. We're going to stay into the lower 50s through the evening hours with periods of rain. Some of this is going to be heavy. Once we get past midnight, I think temperatures are actually going to start to go up a few degrees. So you're probably going to wake up tomorrow morning on your Sunday, and we're going to be right around 53 degrees. Now, rainfall since midnight today, again, been light. We're going to see these totals pick up as the heavier rain moves in now. And as we look at the wind gust, again, tonight into early tomorrow morning, we could see winds potentially maybe between 15 and 20 miles per hour, higher out towards the coast, maybe up to around 30 to 35. Tomorrow, really not looking bad with the winds. I think they're generally going to stay between 10 and 15 miles per hour, and these winds are generally from the west, south, and west. Coastal areas could see higher gusts than that, but all in all, not looking at a really windy day for your Valentine's Day. The rain and cloud forecast, follow the timeline with me here. Again, going through tonight, we're going to see periods of that heavier rainfall, and that's going to continue through about midnight. I think it's going to be the heaviest time period for this rain. Now, tomorrow morning, it looks like we get into a bit of a rain shadow here for the valley, and I think that's going to be probably right as we get this westerly flow coming in. Coastal areas could see some heavier rainfall tomorrow, and especially through the gorge, so just be aware of that one. I think it's really going to be mainly a rain event out through the Cascades. Now, as we start to get to tomorrow evening, we're going to see this rain start to lift more toward the north into Monday, and really I think Monday is going to be a pretty decent day. We'll see plenty of clouds in the morning, but we may get some sun breaks later in the afternoon with temperatures near about 60 degrees, so a little bit milder temperatures. Rain totals through tonight into tomorrow. Follow that timeline with me. Maybe up to about 4/10 of an inch here in Portland. Higher amounts up toward the coast. Now tomorrow, again, we'll see those totals jump up a little bit, maybe 1.5 inches out towards the coast. Models are indicating anywhere between about 1/2 of an inch to an inch here in Portland before all said and done. Lesser amounts once you get down towards Salem, about 1/2 of an inch. So the forecast for tomorrow along the coast is making it to the mid to upper 50s. Again, about 1/4 of an inch of rain, maybe up to around 1/2 of an inch with this passing rain. Tomorrow here in the valley, about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch with periods of light rainfall. Highs for Kelso right around 56 degrees, 58 in Salem. We'll see scattered showers east of the mountains, and it will be a little bit breezy there in Bend with west winds up to around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Through the gorge tomorrow, periods of heavy rainfall, especially during the morning and early afternoon hours. Government camp about 46, and look at that snow level, 7,500 feet. So as we look at the extended forecast, again, tomorrow looking wet for your Valentine's Day from time to time. We'll have breaks in between. Monday for President's Day, we're going to be mainly dry. That rain lifts to the north, going about 61 on Tuesday. Still a chance of maybe a few showers north of the Portland metro area, but we will see more rain returning by Wednesday and Thursday, keeping it to the lower 50s through Friday and Saturday. A mainly dry day right around 56 for that afternoon high. So have a great Saturday night, everyone. If you're celebrating Valentine's Day, have a great dinner, and we will talk to you at our next weather update.